How to fix failed to send text messages in Android is a common issue many users face and can be resolved with a few simple steps. First, check your phone signal strength, as a weak signal can cause messages to fail to send. Ensure you have a stable connection to either a 3G, 4G or 5G network or Wi-Fi. Next, check the recipient number to ensure it is correct and not blocked. Also, check if the recipient has blocked your number or if their phone is switched off. Then check your message center number, which is usually provided by your network operator. You can find this number in your phone settings under the Messages or SMS section. If the issue persists, try restarting your phone, as this can often resolve connectivity issues. Also, check for any software updates, as an outdated operating system can cause issues with sending messages. Clear the cache and data of the Messages app by going to Settings, then Apps, then Messages, and selecting Clear Cache and Clear Data. Additionally, check if you have reached the message limit set by your network operator. Some operators have a limit on the number of messages you can send per day. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact your network operator for assistance, as there may be a problem with your account or their network. It is also a good idea to try sending a message to a different number to see if the issue is specific to one recipient or a general issue with your phone. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the failed to send text messages issue on your Android device. Regularly checking and updating your phone and apps can help prevent such issues in the future.